Watch my new workflow for Nano Banana 2 that treats the AI like a professional storyboard director and comic maker. Hey everyone, Nova here. Welcome back. I've actually got some massive news to share with you today. I've figured out how to make pro comic pages using Nano Banana Pro 2 and my own custom master prompt. It gives you full control over your characters and layout, so your story stays consistent for unlimited pages. Let's go. Alright, so I built this interactive prompt that I use as a Gemini gem. But the beauty is you can paste it into any chatbot to turn it into a full-on comic studio. Let me break down each part and explain exactly why this workflow is god tier for Nano Banana 2. The first part defines the AI's job. Instead of a basic image generator, it's a storyboard director. It handles the heavy lifting, character bibles, story pacing, and sharpening dialogue before anything is even rendered. I also baked in a talk like a director rule. It forces the AI to use cinematic details, like 35mm lenses and specific lighting. The workflow is split into 3 states. State 1 builds your visual identity, basically a character and world Bible so your art doesn't drift. State 2 is the page brain, where it drafts the layout. I added a critical stop here because I want to approve the storyboard before it ever touches a generation prompt. Once you're happy, State 3 takes over. It outputs a full-page layout and high-fidelity prompts for every single panel, keeping the text and details sharp. Finally, there's the consistency core. It uses a rolling reference to match the line weight and shading of your previous pages, so the whole book looks like it was drawn by one artist. Now let's test it. I'm feeding it a specific art style, 90s comic grit mixed with modern cyberpunk manga. For the characters, I've got Jax, our grizzled samurai, and Rin, the hacker. You can type these descriptions out like I did, or just upload your own images as a direct style reference. Then I just give it a quick story summary, Jax and Rin cornered on a rainy rooftop. From here, the AI handles the director's work, the layout, and the dialogue automatically. First, the AI outputs your character sheets. These are your visual anchors. From there, it moves into the blueprint for page 1, breaking down every panel and the dialogue. This is the interactive part. You can swap camera angles, change the dialogue, or ask for a specific full-page layout. You're the director here. It won't move until you say it's perfect. Then, we just move to page 2. You get a new blueprint that follows your story logic. Since it's a live conversation, you can steer the plot or the layout anywhere you want, and the AI stops to check in every step of the way. Now comes the best part. Let's take these specific prompts and build those visuals in Nano Banana 2. Head over to Google Flow. It's totally free for using Nano Banana 2, and the new update finally gives you full control over your aspect ratios. I'll paste the character sheet prompt here first. This creates our visual anchors. Once those are ready, I'll add them to the main prompt to lock in that consistency. If you have a very specific layout in mind, you can just upload a layout example here too. If you want to add your own text later, leave empty space for speech bubbles and SFX to your prompt. It keeps the artwork clean so the bubbles don't cover up the details. You can also ask the Gemini gem to write all panels into one while preserving the dialogue. This gives you a single script for the whole page. From here, you can generate the full layout or focus on each panel separately for more detail. Once you have the first page down, Just repeat the process for the rest of your story. I'm using Canva to pull this all together. You can just upload your comic pages here and download them as a PDF if you want a book, but I like to do this instead. I select an image, go to Edit, and choose Image to Video. This generates a 3-second animation for each page. I'll just repeat that for all the panels to give the comic some life. Now I'll just add some basic transitions between the clips. Once that's done, I export the whole thing as an MP4. And here they are. The thick lines, the halftone shading, and the neon lighting stayed exactly where they needed to be. Let me show you another example. This time, I'm uploading my own character and asking the AI to write the panels based on this specific look. I also ask it to write all panels into one and preserving the dialogue. You can see it instantly gives me a single prompt that keeps all the speech bubbles and action in sync. I hope you enjoy this workflow. I went deep into the master prompt so you can understand the logic and start writing your own. I've put it in the description if you want to try it yourself. Don't forget to leave your beautiful comments. I love reading them. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.